What's up guys, Aussie Card Collector here, and in today's video we're going to open up 5 packets of the 2018-19 Panini NBA Hoops. I got these from my local Target, and it seemed to take them forever. It took them about a month, so I did get them online, but for click and collect, but yeah, it took about a month to actually get to me, so they arrived just the other day. So let's get these open. Here we got here, first up, Anthony Tolliver, upside down rookie, Kevin Knox, Bogdanovich. Here we got, who's that, Alan Crabb, class of 2018, Miles Bridges for the Hornets. It's not a bad looking card. Another rookie with a different colour there. Can't remember the different names for them, but Colin Sexton there. As I drop that. Alright, where was I? DeAndre Jordan and Maurice Harkless round out the first pack. I'm not sure. I think you can get autos in this. I'm not sure, but I'm not holding me breath. But just doing it mainly for the collection. Got Andrew Wiggins, Zach Levine, upside down Spencer Dinwiddie, Miles Turner. We've got a Pulse, Hassan Whiteside, Faces of the Future, Jaren Jackson Jr., Triple J, cool. And Maurice Harkless again, and DeAndre Jordan again. I'm pretty sure we just pulled them, but anyway. Pack number 3. At least these packs are easier to open. Jason Tatum, one of my favourite players. I am a Celtics fan. JJ Redick, Reggie Bullock, Sean Livingston. Oh, this one looks like it's numbered here. Out of 25, what's that, 7? Yeah, 7. Couldn't tell if it was a 7 or a 1. Then we got Get Out of My Way, LeBron James. Then we got here Troy Brown Jr., rookie. And CJ Miles and Damon, is it? Dotson. Damon Dotson? Something like that. Alright, pack number 4. Denzel Valentine, Sean Livingston, Torian Prince, Marshawn Brooks, Get Out the Way, Jimmy Butler. Lights, camera, action. Looks like it's a holo too. Nice and colourful there. Blake Griffin for the Pistons, Rudy Gobert, and Patrick Beverley. Alright guys, last pack. Should be a nice short video this one. Only got 5 packets, so. Alright. Rajon Rondo, Taj Gibson, Amari Spellman, rookie. Yogi Farrell. That's a great name, Yogi Bear, man. Lights, camera, action. Cat, Carl Anthony Towns. NBA Hoops class of 2018. Is that Jerome Robinson? Martin Gortat, and CJ McCollum. Alright guys, one thing I haven't done in my videos is do a recap. So, well, I haven't really got anything that good in the past, but thought I'd do a recap of this one. Actually went through this and realised this is actually numbered to 49, so 43 out of 49, Alan Crabb. Like this, I suppose these ones look pretty cool. Yeah, Miles Bridges, probably one of my favourite players too for the Hornets. Lights, camera, action. Faces of the Future, Triple J, the Pulse, Hassan Whiteside there, and that second numbered card I got out of 25, Sean Livingston. Looks like an orange, some sort of insert. Get Out the Way, LeBron James. Pretty cool looking card. Class of 2018 again. Jerome Robinson. Lights, camera, action. Carl Anthony Towns. That looked pretty cool. The other Get Out of the Way, Jimmy Butler. And this holo Blake Griffin. Looks pretty cool. Not bad looking card. But yeah, thought I'd do a quick recap. And I'll probably do recaps for all the other videos in the future as well. Makes sense, you know, if I get something good to show it off at the end. But anyway guys, if you liked that video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.